See him tucking?
Mm-hmm. Oh, he does it with his back? Ooh, that's a glowing-eyed picture.
Yeah, he's evil. Get close to him, listen to him meow at you. Put your hand out. He gets mad. See?
His eyes.
And when you... Yeah, whisper because he can't hear you. When you talk about him, he gets mad too.
Dan gets to be tucked in every night by the kitty cat.
Sweet. Evil kitty cat too.
He does it with his back feet too. He's like tucking the blanket up. And he is moving down your body.
Yeah, he'll go from my shoulder down to my knees.
I don't get it. We're sending this into the cat whisperer.
We're doing something with it.
He's taking the blanket and pushing it up towards you.
Mm-hmm. He's weird.
Move down, fatty.
Yeah, you reach at him and he gets mad. Watch him bite you.
He's backing up from me. And he does not do this. Don't. Now your big fat arms in the way.